Oh shit. That's some crazy shit. Just saying.
What do you think about that?
That's no hard feelings for nothing. That's way far down. You could have motor oil as play point. Don't matter. That's pretty floating shit.
How funny is it?
Oh, it ain't even funny because I wish there was more oily fish, but there ain't. The bluefish, the oiliest they get. It's a sin.
It's a shame, isn't it?
It's horrendous.
What do you think about that?
Travesty.
You got a fish on? What do you got there?
Free falling.
Free falling?